Hold up! Are you still trying to figure out what to wear this fall? Well, stop right there. AB-FAB Designs has got you covered with our latest blog, 8 reasons you need a fashion stylist this fall. Reason number 1, your closet is a black hole of outdated trends. Number 2, you need someone to tell you, no, those pants do not go with that top. Number 3, fall fashion is all about layering. And let's face it, you're not a cake. Reason number 4, a fashion stylist can help you find those hidden gems in your wardrobe. Number 5, say goodbye to decision fatigue. Number 6, personalized style advice because you are unique, darling. Reason number 7, be the trendsetter, not the follower. And reason number 8, because you deserve to look fabulous every single day. Want more? Click the link in the description box to read the full blog and watch our community tab for discounts, sales, and freebies this fall for our one-time virtual closet cleanse package. Trust us, your closet and wallet will thank you. And until next time, stay fashionable.